Hello, this is Alexander from Website Promoters. And in this video, I'm going to go over what I think the height settings in Divi are based on. So here I have the section. It is a full width header section. And so basically, earlier I was trying to get the header to have one size on a 1080p monitor and another size on a 4K monitor. And what I did was I set the minimum height to the size I wanted it to be on a 1080p monitor, and I set the size I wanted it to be on a 4K monitor to be the max height. And the preferred height, I basically made null and void by setting it to a value higher than the max height. So since the preferred height, which is the middle value, is higher than the max height, the height setting defaults to the max height. And basically what I think this is based off of in the code is the clamp setting in CSS. So clamp, different kind of clamp CSS cascading style sheets. And if you've watched my videos on Divi 5, I briefly went over the clamp CSS function. And basically what it does, it allows you to set a min value, a max value, and the preferred value. So as long as the preferred value is between the min and max, it will default to that value. If the preferred value is below the min value, it will default to the min value. If the preferred value is above the max value, it will default to the max value. If it's between, it'll default to the preferred value. So basically you can use the clamp CSS function for any sizing, width, height, set the text size, to set a border radius, to set the size of containers in Divi or in other WordPress themes. And so I am viewing the Mozilla Firefox documentation for CSS. If you want to know more about the clamp function, I highly recommend reading this, as it will provide a very detailed explanation of what is going on with the clamp function, how it works, what all these values mean, etc. So in a nutshell, or to sum it all up, the way I think height settings in Divi go, or how they function, is I believe they use the clamp function for sizing. Okay, that is the end of the video. I hope you found this video useful. Remember to like the video, leave comments below the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.